One of the things that we discovered is something called reverse wiring. This is evident when you see people that keep attracting abusive relationships. Some guy, some girl who keeps attracting the same kind of partner that treats them poorly. And it's like, why don't you just find someone good? And they think they are. That's an example of someone who considers love abuse and abuse love. They probably grew up in a household where they were abused, so that abuse feels like home to them. It feels like love. And their nervous system literally gets what we call reverse wired. And an easier example is, let's say something like giving. If I were to say, show me giving, what would that look like? Someone would usually, let's say, put their hands out. That's properly wired. Giving looks and feels like something coming from you to somebody else. If instead of putting my hands out and offering something or giving in that direction, if I took my hands out and pulled them into me and closed my fists and brought them into my chest, that looks more like taking or something like that. And if the prompt was show me giving and someone did a motion that looked like taking, that's reversed wired. Now that person in their life, if you ask them what giving and receiving was, they would give probably an accurate definition if you ask them with words. But having them do it in their body reveals the reality of how they interface through that concept in the world. When people come in and they say, I'm doing all of the right things. I'm being a good person. I'm being kind. I'm being generous. And I still get treated like shit. I say, show me those things. And without a doubt, every single time, there's massive dysfunction in those things. And it becomes very clear why that person who keeps doing what they think is the right thing keeps getting the wrong results.